Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to have a look at this very beautiful 60s or 70s Seiko mechanical watch. As you can see, a very beautiful Seiko Solar Diashock with the 19 joules movement. We also have a star featured here at 6 o'clock. These are very beautiful pieces, which as you can see have a very slightly curved watch case. Here on the back we can also see that it is gold filled or gold plated, I believe, this case. So very beautiful piece with the sign crown, which as you can see is signed by Seiko. So we have this S. The watch is in working condition, and also we have placed it on this brand new red leather strap, which complements the watch very beautifully. And as you can see, we have some other pieces with the rectangular tank case, so very nice collectible pieces, once again with the curved case. This one, for example, is I believe 10 or 14k gold filled, so very beautiful piece, very nice condition, and all of them can be found for sale on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content about watches, vintage watches, Seiko watches, watch related content, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.